Are you struggling to keep clients coming back and buying more products, more services from you, and you're just trying to figure out what can you do to bring in repeat business? Well, in today's video, I am going to share with you 6 ways that you can start retaining your customers, giving them all the value they need so that they can keep coming back to you for more and refer others to you as well. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. Welcome to the Unchained CEO. My name is Sarah, and we post weekly videos here about business, personal development, and motivation. If you're interested in that kind of content, consider liking this video, comment below if you have any questions or suggestions as well. I also like to shout out the first 5 commenters on my videos. Consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell so that you don't miss a video. So let's jump right into these tips with tip number 1. You need to stop treating your clients like they're just a check. Treat them like they're family. Go above and beyond for them. Do the kinds of things that you would do for like that person that you're close to, your friends, your family. Give them a little extra. Give them more than they even expected from your services and your products. Treat them like your friends. Don't treat them like strangers. Get to know them. Figure out what it is they like, what they don't like, and provide that value, that added value, even if it's not necessarily a service for you. I'll give you an example. I got lots of clients that come to me every month, every week on a consistent basis for years. And one of the things they really appreciate is that I know them. I know their family. I know what's going on in their life. I've been through marriages, engagements, divorces, baby 1, baby 2, baby 3, anniversaries, sickness, health, all of that. I've been there in their lives for over 6-7 years. So a lot of things have happened and I'm present. So when they come in for their appointments, I ask them about it, or I say, hey, how was this that happened that you said you were going to do, or how was that? Even if it's a really small thing, they really appreciate that because you're building a relationship with your clients. Remember, people do business with the people they know, like, and trust. They're more likely to spend more money with you if they like you. It goes way beyond just the service you're providing. They're more likely to refer people to you if they like you, not just your services, but you as a person. So show up for them the way you show up for your family, and I tell you, you will have loyal customers forever. Tip number 2 stems off of tip number 1, over-deliver. I am just the kind of person that I'm very passionate about what I do. So one of the things when I first started on YouTube is I would make these super long videos because I just wanted to give because I have so much knowledge here in my head and I just wanted to give it. And it was just it was just coming out. I wasn't as concise with it. But you can over deliver, give more than your clients even expected. Like, if you're a barber, obviously they're gonna expect a good haircut. But if you go above and beyond to make it an experience, it's not just a haircut. It is an experience from the moment they interact with you to the moment they walk out of your establishment. They should get that vibe. They should feel that. They're willing to pay more for it. They're willing to refer people to you, and they're willing to come back month after month, week after week, year after year. So always think about how can you just add that little extra special touch to your product or your service so that it feels more like an experience that a client is having versus a one-off transaction. Another customer retention tip so that you can keep your customers coming back over and over and over again is to create a follow-up system. You have to understand, a lot of the reason why some of your clients are not repurchasing or rebooking with you, it's not because they didn't like your product or service, and it's not because they don't like you, it's because they're busy. They are living their life, they have kids, they have a family, they have jobs, they have all kinds of things, stresses and things that are going on in their life. So if you stay in the forefront of their mind, they're more likely to rebook with you or use your product again or whatever. So setting up an automated automated because, you know, like I always tell you guys, it's important for you to automate a lot of your processes in your business so that you're not running around doing every little thing every little time by yourself. So automate these processes so that you have a follow-up system where, whether it's email, text message marketing, through social media, whatever it is, set it up in such a way so that you stay in contact with your clients. I have a free resource that I'd love to share with you. It's a list of all the apps, software, and resources that I use to run my businesses. If you're interested in getting that, there's a link below in the description box. Just pop in your email and I'll send that to you. But creating an automated system has made my business so easy and simple. My clients get automated reminders, automated confirmations, automated emails that remind them that it's time for their next appointment. I don't have to do any of that. I set it up one time and the system does the rest for me. And my clients appreciate it. Like, they'll even come in and they'll say, I can't believe it's been that long since my last treatment, and thanks for sending me the email. I'm like, no problem, I got you. So make sure you have some kind of follow-up system to keep in touch with your client. The next tip is being professional and having effective communication. Understand something. When someone is working with you for the first time, it is imperative that they know exactly what to expect from you. It may seem like overkill, but there is a process that my clients go to from the moment they find me online to the moment they leave my studio. There's a very specific process, and I've set it all up so that my clients know exactly what to expect when they come to my studio. They know what to expect during their treatment, they know what to expect after their treatment, and they know how to get in touch with me if they have any questions or concerns. I follow up in 2 days with new clients to see how they're feeling in case they have a question but it just slipped their mind. I'm in the forefront because I pop up in their email. They know what to expect before anything happens. It gives them the assurance and it builds that kind of trust with you. People who trust you are more likely to continue to do business with you. People that had a effortless, easy experience with you are more likely to recommend you to their friends and family. So make sure that you're professional and you have effective communication set up within your business. The next tip, guys, you gotta make it easy for people to do business with you. Oh my goodness, classic example. I love facials and I wanted to support some businesses that I found on Instagram. So I saw their post and I decided to go to their bio. I clicked on their bio to see if I could book an appointment. Could I book an appointment? No, because they didn't have an online booking system. They needed me to DM them, and then we would do this back and forth to see if they were available on this day or at this time, or if they did this service, or how long was this. If you have all of this, all of the common, frequently asked questions on your website, the things that people are always asking you, if you have that on your website, you have an easy way for people to find everything they need. If when they're ready to book with you, they can easily just go online, book it, and done, easy. I have clients, I will get notifications on my phone. Clients are booking at 2 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning. My business is not open at that time, but imagine if someone is just up and they think, yeah, you know what? I really want a facial this week. Let me check so-and-so, and they go on your site, but they can't book with you. They have to either book and send you a request, or they have to call, or they have to message you. You're just making it harder for people to do business with you. I get new clients that come in every single week and they say the same thing to me. They say, Sarah, your online booking system is just so easy to use. I just go in, put in my information, and it's done. I get the confirmation right away so I know it went through. I get the reminder 2 days before. Like, it's so effortless to them. It makes it easy for them to do business with me. You have to understand that people are already so busy. If you make it harder for them to do business with you, as much as they want to, they might just go to your competitor because they have something set up so that it's easy. So make the barriers less between you and your potential customers, and I'm telling you, these people will continue to come back again and again and again. That's how you retain your customers. Now this tip, it might be harder for some than others, but you need to let your customers see the boss behind the brand. Like, who are you? Stop hiding behind your logo. We want to learn your story. Why did you start the business? Why are you servicing the clientele or the market that you're servicing? What's your story? Don't be afraid to share it. I tell people all the time that the reason why I got into massage therapy is because I don't like seeing people in pain. I don't like to be in pain. And I truly believe that you can have a deep tissue therapeutic massage that solves a very specific issue and at the same time have a relaxing treatment that calms your body, mind, and spirit. I know this for a fact because I've been doing it for years. I have people that come to see me and they fall asleep on the table during a deep tissue treatment. Why? Because I put certain things into place to make sure that they are so comfortable, that the environment is conducive for you to want to fall asleep or to relax enough to fall asleep. So I share my story with people. I share my story as to why I expanded my business and now I'm offering yoga and meditation, all these different things, because I truly believe that your body holds on to emotion and stress and all these different things, and it manifests into disease or discomfort or pain. So I know that if we can tackle your whole body, not just the physical, but the mental, the spiritual, the emotional, all of that, we have a better chance of really getting to the root cause of where your pain is stemming from, because a lot of times it's not a physical thing. The physical is just a symptom of a bigger issue. So my clients know this. I tell it all the time. I say it to them when they meet me. It's on my website. I talk about it on social media. It's something that's apparent. They know why I'm in business. They feel that, they know that, and they know me as the person. On social media, a lot of my clients are following my brand, but they're also following me, the person. They grow to like and care about me as a person, and that makes them want to stick with me more because I'm not just a big faceless company, right? I'm a person that they can relate to, and people want to support your business, but you just have to be authentic and transparent and open up a little bit more. I'm not saying you gotta put all your business out on social media, but I'm just saying let people know why you started doing what you're doing so that they can resonate with you and your business. It's like creating a tribe of people that want to support you and believe in what you're doing. And that's one of the best ways to continue that customer loyalty, that brand. Apple does it, Tesla does it. When you think of Apple, you think of Steve Jobs. It's like a cult, right? It's their tribe. They would never stray from Apple. When you think of Tesla, you have a very set of people who are like, yeah, I am all about eco-friendly and these sleek designs, this very futuristic, sleek kind of design. You have these people that have come forward and let the public see the boss behind the brand so that they can resonate with them, and they end up being customers for life. So do it, it'll work, trust me. Having a business can be difficult. Growing a business, scaling a business, being in business, it's not a walk in the park. So if you need more advice or guidance or tips, go ahead and check out some of these videos here. Comment below with any questions that you have, and I'll do my best to answer them. And don't forget to leave your email address so I can send you that free business resource. It'll really help you out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.